Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a social media strategy with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your social media goals. Identify what you want to achieve with your social media presence. Consider objectives like brand awareness, lead generation, or customer engagement. Next, analyze your target audience. Gather data on demographics, interests, and online behavior. Create audience personas to better understand who you are communicating with. The third step is to research your competitors. Examine their social media strategies and identify strengths and weaknesses. Take note of their engagement rates and content types that perform well. Now, choose the right social media platforms for your brand. Focus on platforms where your target audience is most active. Consider factors like the type of content you plan to share. Moving on, develop a content strategy. Decide what type of content aligns with your goals and audience interests. Plan a mix of promotional, educational, and entertaining posts. Next, create a content calendar. Outline what to post, when to post, and on which platforms. Using a calendar helps maintain consistency and organization. Now, set up your Hootsuite account. Go to the Hootsuite website and sign up for a plan that fits your needs. Once your account is set up, link your social media profiles. After linking, familiarize yourself with Hootsuite's dashboard and tools. Use the dashboard to schedule and publish content efficiently. Next, utilize Hootsuite's analytics tools. Monitor your social media performance regularly. Look for key metrics like engagement, reach, and follower growth. Adjust your strategy based on the analytics data. Continue to engage with your audience consistently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.